In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your avatar taller in Roblox. This is a simple trick that gives your character a taller appearance. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, click on the menu icon in the top left corner. From there, select Avatar. Next, hover over Body. Then click on Scale. Make sure your avatar is set to 15, as this feature only works with that body type. Now, increase the height slider all the way to the maximum. After that, reduce the width slider. This helps create a taller look. You can also slightly reduce the head size for better proportions. Finally, set the proportion slider all the way down to 0%. This combination will give your avatar a much taller appearance. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.